The sky belongs to the birds. Although, they are also the masters of the land and sea. The water group of animals could venture so high in the air as the known land masses and dives as great depths below the water. Images of birds in clouds soaring through the skies signifies freedom and hope.
Abi na ko gapil na tong isa ka lang
Although
na.
life is not the only skill they know. So join us today as we show you a glimpse of how truly amazing and indulgent these birds are.
Ano to?
Hindi pa naman ako.
Ay.
Anay ko sa imo ha. Ayun na.
Ay mo to, ni sayo na siya. Oh. Oh, nadi sila
Alright,
backstage.
here we go. Let us start the show by welcoming our flag-raising bird, Bandit. Now, Bandit is a red and green macaw, also known as green-winged macaw. The macaws are widespread in the forests and woodlands in northern and central South America. And there you go, guys. Our show has officially started. A round of applause for our flag-raising bird, Bandit.
Bandit.
So hello everyone, maayong mundo sa tanan and welcome to Symposium Park Amphitheater. My name is Andre, and I'll be your host for today's show. Now our next set of birds is just like any best friends, and sometimes best friends can be competitive, right? So let's meet Blue
Ay,
and
duha ka.
Azul.
Nag-isa. Duha sila ka buo?
So let's wait for our birds.
Si
All
Azul.
right, there's Azul, and that is Blue. So today they will battle over who's the best in a basketball game. So before we start the game, I'm dividing you guys into two groups. Now for the boys, let me hear you cheer for Blue. Let me say, go Blue, go Blue.
Go blue! Go blue!
Now for the girls, let me hear you cheer for Azul. Let me say, go Azul, go Azul.
Azul?
Okay, now are you guys ready for the basketball game? Alright, now trainers ready, birds ready, set, go! Come on, birds. Now here comes the first ball, followed by Azul. Second ball for Blue, and for the last ball, who's gonna win? Blue wins this round. That's alright, Azul. So I guess Azul deserved the second round. And let's do it with the rulers. The mechanics of this game is the first bird to drop all of these three rings into the pole the fastest is the winner. Now that's our winners. Now are you guys ready for the second round? Alright, now trainers ready, birds ready, set, go! Come on Azul! Now here comes Blue in his first ring. Second ring for Blue. Oh, what is this? Three rings at the same time. How clever was that? So the poet become girls know. So maybe that did you see that? Three rings at the same time. What can you say?
Hey, what's that training for? You guys cheated!
Oh, did you guys really cheat? No, I didn't cheat. Azul just used their brain. Oh, so a round of applause for Blue and Azul.
Sa muka ato, oy.
Now this time I need one adult volunteer with a money bill. Again, I need one adult volunteer with a money bill. Okay, sir, please join me on stage and bring your money. Yes, sir, you. Bring your money, sir. Money, sir. Money bill, yes. 20, 50, 100. So, sorry.
Tihik job.
Okay, sir, stand right here. Now, sir, the bundle will happen. Go swing, remove your arm, okay? Now, let's call it our money bird blue. Now, our money bird blue right here can detect if the money is fake or not.
Da.
Shall we blue? Now, blue flies over. Gets the money on what's next, blue? Blue flies back to the table and guess what? Blue wants to donate your money. Now,
Ba't
sir,
sila?
are you okay with your 20 peso bill? Are you sure? Since you're okay, sir, how about the second round? This time, I'll be higher. 500 peso bill. Are you okay with that? It's for the birds. So actually, sir, it's just part of the show. We'll return the money, but first, Blue wants a picture with you for souvenir. So just follow trainer Cat's instruction. Now give us your best smile and pose together with our funny bird, Blue.
Salamat sa 20 pesos.
Okay, now here's your money.
Ibalik.
Now a round of applause for our volunteers and funny bird, Blue. Now this time, this time we're about to show you our 3 different kinds of parrot. So here is Emotion Park, we have 3. We have Bandit, our green wing macaw, Red, our Eclectus parrot, and Goldie, our blue and gold macaw. Now guys, just a friendly reminder, if our birds will go around you, please don't try to reach or touch, okay? They might bite. Now this is Red, that is Goldie, it's wait for Bandit. And right there is Bandit. Now let's start. Now on your right, with Trainer Cat, is our green wing macaw Bandit. Now as you can see, Bandit's body is covered with red plumage. His tail and wing are colored blue and green. Now that bird has a white wing face striped with small red feathers. Now Bandit's scientific name is Arachloraptorus. Now say hi to everyone, Bandit. Hi. Alright. Now how about this side, Bandit? Say hi. There you go. Banana and cute si Bandit. Now above there with Trainer Irvin is our blue and gold macaw Goldie. Now as you can see, blue and gold macaw has a beautiful shade of blue on its back and a solid yellow on its belly and inner wings. So here's the motion part of blue and gold macaw. So earlier, they're gonna play a basketball on the sea blue and sea azul. So ang Goldie nalipodiyaha later. Now, Goldie's scientific name is Ara Aranawa. Now, lastly with me is our Eclectus parrot Red. Now, Eclectus parrot are very unusual in the parrot's family. That is because of the extreme sexual dimorphism, meaning you can easily tell the difference between a female and a male parrot. So, Red right here is a female Eclectus parrot. That is because of her bright red colored feathers. Now as of the male, they have bright green colored feathers. So ilan nakasimple pag-gender sa Eclectus parrot. So in the wild, if makita mo red, meaning female. If color green, male. Now right here, can live up to 30 years old. Meanwhile, macaw's pendant,
30 years
can live up to. So who can guess the lifespan for macaws? Any guess? ma'am, higher. How about this side? Isa yung mga taga. 50, hapit na ma'am, higher.
60.
Correct. 60 to 70 years old. So, yung anak na dugay. Now, did you know that parents are monogamous? Meaning, they can only have one partner for their entire lifetime. Sana all kaya nyo, may mga birds. So, as a parent, we have Bandit, Red, and Goldie.
Ingay.
Cute guy.
Their parents in general are very intelligent. That's why we continue to enhance their skills so they won't get bored. Now guys, who knows this game? So this is a shape box puzzle. Do you remember playing this when you're still a kid? Well now let's go in the method. Now show us to us how intelligent it is by putting the shape back to its correct slots. Come on, Bandit. Now even though this is a learned behavior Bandit is doing, this is not possible without Bandit's intelligence, memory, and perception. So in the wild, they use their skills to find food, shelter, and a good place to nest. And there you go, intelligent, right? Up and applause for our green macaw, Bandit.
Kachuy eh.
Now this time I have an object with me which is a ball. Now we'll hide this ball under these three silver cups. Now as you can see, they're all empty, right? Now where did you hide the ball? On your left, right, or in the middle? Which side? Left, right, middle, you choose. Louder. Louder. Okay, let's put it right here. Now let's go in our second bird, Goldie. Now guys, if the Goldie can find a hidden object, let me hear him say, "You can do it, Goldie." Okay, Goldie found the hidden object. Now Goldie is searching using psychic power, and there you go, she found it. Now round of applause for psychic
Ito
bird,
wala.
Goldie. So earlier we showed you three different kinds of parrot. Now this time we're going to introduce to you our cockatoos. So around the globe there are 21 living species of cockatoos. Here's the Ocean Park, we have three. We have our Moluccan cockatoo Snow, our sulfur-crested cockatoo Tweety, and our umbrella cockatoo Nigel. So again guys, if our trainers going around you, please don't try to reach or touch, okay?
Hala. The fluffy. Fluffy.
Now this is Tweety, that is Snow, and that is Nigel.
Snow.
Now let's start. Now here with me is our sulfur-crested cockatoo Tweety. Now this bird craft for their habitat along the edges of subtropical and tropical rainforests. These birds are primarily white with black beaks and a distinctive yellow crest. So kanyang yellow
Did I
sa
present
head, muna ang crest. Now, next,
No.
these are umbrella cockatoo Nigel. Now they are also called
Kaya nga,
the great white cockatoo. Now they are called umbrella cockatoo. That is because of their woolly white crest that graces like an umbrella. So again, kanang crest ng Nigel, ipusakan na siya or an
Saan ito
umbrella
ba?
to
Ito
form.
lang. Lagyan ako yan.
Now if you compare Tweety and Nigel, you can easily tell the difference. Tweety has a yellow crest, while Nigel has a pure white crest. Now lastly, we train the Irving is our Moluccan